Hi guys, my name is Nikki Kalyani and welcome back to my channel. Okay, this is going to be my first vlog ever, so you guys have to bear with me. I am leaving for Rajasthan Ajmer by car in 10-15 minutes. So I'm going to vlog the whole, the whole experience. I'm going just for a day. But yes, I will be vlogging that, and I am going with a very special person. You guys will meet him in a bit. So yes, I'll go down, wait for the car to come, and we'll continue then. Hi, so I left like an hour and a half ago. Or let me introduce you to the most sweetest and the most chilled person I know.
Hi.
He's a family friend and he's also coming with us. We are going to stop at a restaurant to have our lunch, and I'll meet you then. Bye. Okay guys, so this was the place where we stopped for having our lunch, and I am so sorry I couldn't vlog there because I was so hungry and I literally forgot to shoot. Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day and I just took a bath. I'm so sorry I couldn't vlog yesterday because there was nothing to vlog. We were just, sitting in the car and we were traveling and there was nothing to vlog. So I couldn't vlog. This is the next day. I am getting ready to go to the Khwaja Sharif Dargah. And yes, that's the main reason why I came here. So I'm getting ready. I'll show you how I am dressed up in a bit and then I'll take you to the Dargah. Yes. Hi guys, so this is what I am wearing, and I am going at the hotel where my mama is staying. So I'll take you guys there, and after that we will go to the Dargah. So yes.
हमारी भी चाय लिए ही लो 이렇게 운전 공간가 있고 우리가 우리가 만들어 놓은 게 버릇거든.
I am back at the hotel. I changed and we are leaving for Gandhidham now. I am shooting in the bathroom because there's so much of mess outside. So yes, I'll go and bye. We are getting sweets from here. This has to be the most, famous mithai wala in Ajmer. And I know I stained my mask. I was eating kachori. So yes, we will take the sweets and then we will leave for Gandhidham. And I had a great time. I'll talk more once I reach home. Yes. Hi guys, so we were at a toll tax and someone crashed our car from the side. Like, it's not damaged way too much, but yes, it is, there are some scratches all over. So my mama and our family friend, they are fighting with that man, and I'm so worried. I'm literally shitting in my pants right now, but I hope this solves soon, and I just want to go home now. I just want to go home because I cannot see someone fighting and I am so worried. But I thought, why not vlog this, because I just wanted to divert my mind. That's it. Yes, I hope they come soon, and we will stop in a bit for our lunch. So I'll show you guys there. like what all we are having and where are we stopping by. So yes, bye. Okay, so it's been half an hour and my mama and that family friend, they are coming, and I just can't wait to talk to them and ask that what all happened. Also, I'll talk about that, you know, Dargah Khwaja Garib Nawaz once I reach home, and I'll give you every details and I'll, you know, share my experience with you all. So we have stopped at this hotel and I will have my lunch here. I'll show you what I'll eat. So I just had my lunch and I am so dumb that I forgot to shoot because I was so very hungry. So I just hopped on the food and I ate it all. And now I am heading towards Gandhidham and I don't think we will stop now. So yes. Hi guys, so I reached my home at 10 p.m. at night that day, and you know, this is I'm recording this after 2 days because I just wanted to sit down and have chat with you guys and, you know, tell my experience. So we reached we left from the hotel at 9 and we, you know, reached the dargah at 9:30ish. And I just cannot tell you in words, I just cannot express how I felt there. It was so mesmerizing. I was so mesmerized by the, you know, how it looked, and the vibes were, you know, something very different. I have never felt such a thing ever in my life. So we went there and we already had a khadim booked. He knew my nana. So, you know, he took us to the dargah and, you know, we got our chaddars that, you know, हम जो वहाँ पे चढ़ाते हैं and all. So we got our chaddars and everything, like flowers, धागे, everything. और फिर हम लोग अंदर गए दरगाह में. And I just cannot tell you how beautiful it was. It was, you know, everything was, you know, covered with gold and silver, like पूरा जो ऊपर का होता है झूमर area and everything. It was so beautiful. I just cannot tell you. The feeling was something very, very different. It was, I just cannot tell you how I felt there. And then, you know, we had our darshan, and also, you know, we मतलब एक दरगाह में एक रूम था जो लॉक्ड रहता है और उधर मतलब यूजुअली किसी को भी रोज़ दर्शन करने नहीं मिलता है, बट ही न्यू माई नाना एंड उन्होंने वो स्पेशली हमारे लिए लॉक खोला वो दरवाजे का. और हाँ, उधर भी कुछ था, आई गेस शायद से वो कुरान थी जो ख्वाजा जी ने लिखी थी. और हमने वहाँ के भी दर्शन किए एंड फिर हम लोग वहाँ से निकल के एक पीछे साइड पे गए और वो दरवाज़ा जो फेब में खुलता है पूरे साल में एक बार, और हमने वहाँ के भी दर्शन किए बाहर से ही. और उन्होंने बोला कि ये फेब में खुलेगा तो तुम आना ज़रूर. और फिर उसके बाद हम लोग पीछे साइड गए, वहाँ पे भी बहुत सारी यू नो समाधि शायद से वो सब बनी हुई थी. और फिर हमने वहाँ पे बैठ के चाय वगैरह पी. और उन्होंने मुझे ये बहुत ही प्रेशियस चीज़ है मेरे लिए, उन्होंने ये जो खादिम थे उन्होंने मुझे ये शॉल गिफ्ट की. और उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि तुम जब भी वापस यहाँ पर आओ या तुम कभी भी किसी भी रिलीजियस प्लेस पर जाओ तो ये ज़रूर पहन के जाना. एंड दिस इज़ सो क्लोज टू माई हार्ट. आई वॉज सो हैप्पी. यू नो, आई यू नो इंसर्ट द पिक्चर्स एंड ऑल मेरे दरगाह के. और फिर बस हम लोग वहाँ से निकल गए और वी लेफ्ट फॉर गांधीधाम. बट इफ़ यू गाइज हैव नॉट बीन देयर, you guys should go. It was so beautiful. It was very beautiful. And yes, in all my experience was very nice. I was so happy कि मैं गई वहाँ पर. And अगर तुम लोग लाइफ में कुछ भी करना चाहते हो तो एक बार ये दरगाह पे तुमको जाना ही चाहिए. वो बहुत ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल थी. और yes, in all my experience was very nice. And yes, I'll come with the next video soon. If you guys liked my vlog, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel below. Bye bye, take care, love you.